How to install the 32-bit software on a 64-bit operating system. Hey guys, and welcome back. If you are trying to install a 32-bit software but your 64-bit OS is not taking it, in that case here is a quick fix. For this, first of all you have to open the search bar and type in turn Windows feature on and off. Tap on the first option and it will ask for permission. Click on yes and it will open a new tab. If you cannot find it here, you can just open Control Panel, go to Programs and Features and get it there from here as well. Now you have to click on Internet Information Services and then click on OK. Now that this is done, from the search bar, search for the same option which is Internet Information Manager. Once you click on it, it will again ask for permission. Tap on Yes. Once that is done, it will open a new tab. Now from here, click on the drop-down menu and go to Application Pool. Right-click on Default Pool and go to Advanced Settings. Now, set up Enable 32-bit applications to True and click on OK. And you should be able to install and download 32-bit software as well. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.